Welcome to History Tag, where history comes to life. Egypt's history is not just a story, it's a legend carved in stone, a tale whispered by the Nile, and a mystery waiting to be uncovered. Let's embark on an extraordinary journey through the full history of Egypt. But first, let's start with a few intriguing and mysterious questions about Egypt's history. 1. Did a lost civilization exist before ancient Egypt? Some believe an advanced civilization predating the pharaohs once thrived, influencing Egyptian culture. Megalithic structures, unusual tools, and advanced astronomy fuel this theory. Could something older still lie buried beneath the sands? 2. What secrets were lost in the Library of Alexandria? Once a treasure trove of knowledge, its destruction remains a tragedy. Did it hold advanced sciences or lost technologies? What wisdom was erased from history forever? 3. Who really built the Great Sphinx? Is it older than the pharaohs? Some theories suggest it was built by an unknown civilization, hiding secrets beneath its surface. Could it reveal lost chapters of Egypt's past? 4. Did the pharaohs possess advanced or lost technology? From pyramid engineering to medical innovations, Egypt was far ahead of its time. Could they have had knowledge or technologies lost to history? 5. What happened to Queen Nefertiti, and where is her tomb? One of Egypt's most powerful queens vanished from records. Did she rule under another name? Is her tomb still hidden, waiting to reveal long-lost secrets? A brief history of Egypt, the age of the pharaohs, 3100 BCE, 332 BCE. Egyptian civilization began with the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt by Pharaoh Narmer, Menes, around 3100 BCE. Over the next 3 millennia, Egypt thrived under powerful dynasties, shaping one of the world's most remarkable civilizations. The Old Kingdom, 2686 to 2181 BCE, was the age of the pyramids, marked by the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza and the Sphinx. This period showcased Egypt's architectural brilliance and centralized power. The Middle Kingdom, 2055 to 1650 BCE, was a time of cultural and artistic flourishing, strengthening Egypt's administration and expanding its influence. The New Kingdom, 1550 to 1070 BCE, represented Egypt's imperial age, dominated by powerful rulers such as Hatshepsut, Thutmose III, Akhenaten, and Ramesses II. This era saw military expansion and grand monuments, securing Egypt's legacy. However, following the decline of the New Kingdom, Egypt faced invasions and foreign rule by the Persians, Greeks, and later the Romans. The Greco-Roman period, 332 BCE, 641 CE, Alexander the Great's conquest of Egypt in 332 BCE marked the beginning of the Greco-Roman period, leading to the establishment of the Ptolemaic dynasty. This era saw a fusion of Greek and Egyptian cultures, with Alexandria becoming a center of learning and innovation. The famous Queen Cleopatra VII, the last Ptolemaic ruler, sought alliances with Rome, but was ultimately overthrown in 30 BCE, leading to Egypt's transformation into a Roman province. During the Roman and Byzantine periods, Christianity spread across Egypt, and Alexandria emerged as a major religious and intellectual center. This period significantly influenced Egypt's cultural and spiritual landscape, setting the stage for future transformations. Islamic Egypt, 641 CE, 1517 CE. The arrival of Islam in Egypt began in 641 CE when the Muslim general Amr ibn al-As conquered the region, introducing Arabic and Islamic traditions. Over time, Egypt became a key center of Islamic learning and culture. The Fatimid Caliphate, 909 to 1171 CE, established Cairo as its capital and founded Al-Azhar University, which remains a prestigious institution of Islamic scholarship. The Ayyubid dynasty, 1171 to 1250 CE, led by the renowned Sultan Saladin, defended Egypt against the Crusaders and strengthened its military presence. Later, the Mamluk Sultanate, 1250 to 1517 CE, ushered in a golden age of Islamic architecture, trade, and scholarship. further solidifying Egypt's role as a major power in the medieval Islamic world. Ottoman and colonial Egypt, 1517 to 1952. Egypt became part of the Ottoman Empire in 1517, but retained some degree of autonomy under local rulers. The region's significance grew when Napoleon invaded Egypt, 1798 to 1801, sparking Western interest in its ancient history and treasures. In the early 19th century, Muhammad Ali Pasha, 1805 to 1848, rose to power modernizing Egypt's economy, military, and infrastructure, transforming it into a regional force. However, in 1882, the British occupied Egypt, controlling the strategically vital Suez Canal and effectively ruling the country. Nationalist movements grew over the decades, ultimately leading to Egypt's struggle for independence and the overthrow of the monarchy in 1952, marking a turning point in its modern history. Modern Egypt, 1952, present. Following the 1952 revolution, Egypt became a republic under Gamal Abdel Nasser, who introduced socialist reforms and pursued policies of Arab nationalism. Key historical events shaped Egypt's modern trajectory, including the Suez Crisis, 1956, where Egypt fought to reclaim control over the canal from British and French influence. The country also played a crucial role in the Arab-Israeli Wars, 1967-1973, which had lasting effects on regional politics. In 2011, the Arab Spring Revolution led to significant political changes, reshaping Egypt's leadership and governance. Today, Egypt remains a cultural, economic, and political powerhouse, blending its ancient heritage with modern ambitions on the global stage. Geography and demographics. Egypt is a vast nation covering 1,001,449 square kilometers, with a population of approximately 104 million, 2023. The capital, Cairo, stands as one of the largest and most vibrant cities in the Middle East and Africa. The majority of Egyptians follow Islam, approximately 90%, while Christians, approximately 10%, form a significant minority. Economically, Egypt relies on key industries such as oil and gas, agriculture, tourism, and trade. The Suez Canal, one of the world's most crucial shipping routes, plays a vital role in global commerce, generating substantial revenue for the country. Tourism, the eternal allure of Egypt. Tourism is one of Egypt's largest industries, attracting millions of visitors each year to its ancient wonders and picturesque coastal resorts. The pyramids of Giza, the last surviving wonder of the ancient world, remain an iconic symbol of Egypt's greatness. In Luxor and the Valley of the Kings, visitors explore the tombs of legendary pharaohs, including Tutankhamun. Monuments like Abu Simbel and Karnak Temple showcase the grandeur of Egypt's architectural and artistic achievements. Beyond historical sites, Red Sea resorts such as Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada offer stunning beaches and world-class diving experiences. With annual tourism revenue exceeding $13 billion, Egypt continues to captivate travelers from around the globe. Conclusion: Egypt's legacy lives on. Egypt's history is a breathtaking fusion of mystery, innovation, and resilience. From the grandeur of the pharaohs to the Islamic Golden Age and its role in modern geopolitics, Egypt remains a pillar of civilization. Its legacy endures not only in its monuments and historical records, but also in the cultural and political influence it continues to exert on the world today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating history videos. Stay with us and don't miss our next video on the rise and fall of the Spanish Empire, how Spain conquered vast territories, and why it ultimately lost them all. What key mistakes led to the collapse of the Spanish Empire? How did Spain's vast wealth from the Americas contribute to its downfall? Join us in uncovering these mysteries in our next episode.